Just remember, babe, if he starts scaring you, just close your eyes.
Exactly.
And if we end up upside down, it'll be okay because you've got all these harnesses on.
If we end up upside down, I'm going to slap the crap out of you. That's what I'm going to do.
Okay, so are you okay with starting off fast, or should we go a slower way?
Go ahead and do whatever.
Right.
Oh, geez, okay. That got the heart going.
She will not let go of that. You got to remember, Julian.
Nope,
you're going
fine.
way faster than she likes.
Nope, you're fine.
I will go slower.
Nope, you're fine. Keep going.
She's lying to you, Julian.
Nope, you're good.
She's lying.
You're good. I'm enjoying this.
Are you?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
Yes, I am. Dang it! Don't tell me what I'm not doing. Now this, I have to say, this is fun.
Just this part here?
No, just
or the whole. Okay, hold on, little bump.
Okay. Oh shoot, nice. That was a big bump, but okay. Is this where you guys were going yesterday? Whoa, 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 whoa. Nobody said that the bank was going to come to us. Holy shit! Try to be really nice here.
I thought you'd like that.
Yeah, that was nice. That's fun. Yeah.
Okay, so see how that side right there?
Yeah. Oh, good. Nice.
So we'll just run along the side like this.
Oh my God! Oh yeah, that's so fun.
Yeah.
You know, where you can literally tip over.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
You know, that's okay.
We won't tip over.
Yeah, you just jinxed yourself, buddy.
Run up the hill here.
Whoa!
Just turn down here.
Oh shit! Sorry, Aubrey.
So that's the dunes, you know?
Now I have to say it's been very fun. My hands, look, I can even go hands free. Look.
Did you see that, Terry?
Oh, yeah.
Hands free. Hands free.
8 minutes.
Right.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, thank you for telling me to hold on. Ooh. Thank goodness I didn't put any hairspray in my hair. Whew. My poor little hair would just be standing on ends. Ooh. Ooh.